Hi guys, my name is Furkan. So in this video I will show you how you can control your Android phone using laptop. So you have to open Play Store and install this application Airdroid. So I'm installing this application. So install this application is amazing. You can remotely access your PC using this app and you can control your device different things with this application. It will be amazing. It will work on your Android 9 above. You have to open developer option using this. Tap on build number 7 times and turn on developer option. You know, you have to open USB debugging option. After this, you have to connect your Android phone via USB with your laptop. So it's installing. So wait some time until it completed. It's 25% done by 30%. So wait some time. You can skip the video from this. Now it's installing. You have to open this application and give all the permissions which it needs from the device. Now the next step, you have to create account and login same account on your laptop and mobile. So here you can add device Airdroid Web. Here you can scan QR code from the laptop. So now we have to move to laptop screen. So here you have to open the Airdroid web application. You can use this link and open this website. It is simple. It's remotely. You just have to click on OK. Now you have to create a Google account. So wait until I do setup. So now you have to give that password. Now you have to verify your email. Okay, verify and login. Now you have to restore your Android application, and here the QR code is showing. You just have to open mobile application. Here you have to click on scan QR code. Now you have to scan the QR code, and you have to you have to log in by Google account. That's Google account. You have to log in on your laptop or PC. So that's one time. So it's a sign up, login. Now you have to scan QR code. Now it's showing that your device is connected with the AirDroid Web. Now you can manage your device or control different things using Airdroid Web. Now we have to go to laptop screen. Here there are different options you can choose. Okay, now let's see what are the features. You can turn on, you can these different permissions to allow AirDroid Web. Okay, allow screen mirroring feature. You can control screen mirroring on your laptop. Now I have to start this. Now we have to go to laptop screen and view the things that can we do by controlling Android phone using Airdroid. Now we have to come to on laptop screen. Here you know my device is connected. It's showing. You can use different things of mobile, your music, gallery, sign up, contacts, camera, and you can also use screen recordings, screen mirroring feature here. It's requiring permission, so I have to give permission. So now you have seen different things, so how you can control your Android phone using AirDroids. It is amazing tool. It's very amazing tools. It provide free things to control your Android different devices using these things. You can view the applications that you are using in this. Now I click on the mirror screen. Now it will show my screen capturing on lifetime live. So please wait. so my internet is too slow. So like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.